Magulo na naman yung aming sala guys kasi yung amo ko guys. Ayun oh. Yan. Naglalaro siya. Hey, hey Sawyer, get these toys. Come on. Look, there's a lot of toys. I have to get up. Mommy's gonna cook. Please. Okay, thank you. Ah, tinapon lang sa sahig. Put it back in your toy bin, please. Put it back in your toy bin or else I'm gonna spank you. You want mommy spank you? Ha? Yung mommy's, oh, ayan, oh. Pati yung diaper niya andyan pa. Nakakaloka ka, Sawyer.
Yes.
Yes, kadiha aron. Ay, ayan yan. Yung sala, oh. Diba? Ang daming ano. Ang daming kalat ni Sawyer. Ha? Magluto ako guys ng paksiw na isda at saka stink.
Yes.
Why stink? Why it stink?
I started.
You stink?
I started.
Why are you covering your nose? So, ayan na guys, ang paksiw. Ayan. I-start ko na siya lutuin. Takpan ko na siya guys. Kasi nag-crave ako ng paksiw, kaya niluto ko siya guys. So, ito na guys. Luto na ang paksiw na isda. So guys, dahil nahiwa ko na yung mga ricados natin para sa ating ginagmay. So mag-start na ako magluto guys ng ginagmay. Para makakain na sila sa hapunan guys. So maglagay na tayo guys ng mantika. Gininaw ako guys, kaya naka-jacket ako. Yung gamit kong pork guys ay pork loin. Kasi pork loin lang ang mayroon ako dito. Dahil mainit na guys ang ating mantika, ilagay na natin ang bawang at saka sibuyas. Lagyan natin ang sibuyas. Ito yung pork loin guys. Natin guys. What are you doing, Sawyer? Guys. Lagyan natin ng soy sauce. Oyster sauce. Paminta. Dahon. Pamintang dahon guys. Tapos, haluin natin. Tapos lagyan natin ng aswete guys. Parang kulang pa yung ano, aswete. Lagyan natin. Ayan. Mabilis lang tong lumambot guys dahil porcloin ang ginamit ko. So, ano natin? Ukayon sa nato guys. Tapos, atos aning pabukalon. Pakuluan natin to. Saka natin ilagay ang carrots at saka patatas. Dahil kumulo na siya guys, ilagay na natin ang patatas at carrots. Dahil damihan ko ng paghiwa ng patatas at saka carrots. Ayan, yan lang ilagay natin. Takpan na natin guys. Hintayin lang natin guys na maluto. Lagyan natin guys ng magic sarap. Pampalasa. Tapos asin. Konting asin. Para mag-balance yung kanyang alat. Hindi na ako nalagyan ng tubig guys kasi nagtubig na siya. So hayaan mo natin siyang maluto ang carrots at saka patatas. So yan na guys. Malapit na maluto ang ating ginagmay. Kulang pa. Isang kulo pa lang pero ilagay ko na ang ilagay ko na ang bell pepper guys. Wala akong red bell pepper, yellow at saka orange lang. So, nagutom na si Sawyer guys. So, isang kulo pa guys. So, ayan guys. Luto na ang ating...
That looks good, Mom. Is it done? Is it done?
Yeah.
Can Jackson have some?
I don't know if they like this one.
Wanna try it? And we can share it.
Ito na guys.
Just try a little bit first. Come on, let's go.
Ayan.
You got steak? Yeah, that's steak.
Luto na ang ating ginagmay guys. Ginagmay Bisaya.
Close it when I'm open it. Maya! You need to put a bag in it. He said no, mommy stop. He said
Lutusan
no,
ko
mommy
si
stop.
Sawyer at si Shelton guys. Mag-ano ng crush.
No,
Come on,
he
let's
just
go.
said no, daddy stop. He keeps saying
Let's go outside dahil maglalagay kami ng trash can sa labas guys dahil tomorrow is a pick up day. Shelton! Bring the box, I'll get this one because we have to put that one in the blue can.
Okay.
Mabigat to para kay ano, para kay Shelton. Oh, malamig. Malamig.
I got the boxes.
Put that one in the blue can.
I can take
Yeah.
it. I can
Blue
take
can.
it. No, Jackson, it's okay. I can take it.
The blue can over there.
Jackson, it's okay. I can
The
take
first
it.
blue can, Shelton.
Jackson said he can take it.
The first blue can. Okay, let's move. The first blue can, Jackson. Oh, the blue can over there.
Over here?
Shelton, just show it to him. Not that one. I think the other one. Come here. Shelton, be gentle.
That's mommy.
Oh, oh. Ay.
I just did a
Naku.
bit. So it's scary.
Come on, get inside now. Hey, get the shoes of Samantha here. Oh. Okay. Tapos na namin nailagay guys ang trash can. Get the spoon, be.
Oh my god.
Please. Come on, Sawyer now. Ay, magliligpit na ako ng kusina. At gusto nilang kumain. So, ayan si Shelton. Kakain na daw siya. Kumakain na si Sawyer. Kumakain na si Jackson at saka si Shelton. Walang rice si Jackson kasi ayaw niya. Yan. Yummy, Sawyer? No, not yummy? You yummy? Okay, good job. Kumakain na kami ni Sam, guys. Ayan, guys, yung ulam ko, paksiw na isda.
Is this potato?
Yeah, potato. Rice at saka yung ginagmay. Kay Sam ay ginagmay. Walang rice. Kasi ayaw niya ng rice. Kasi may potato naman, guys. Eh. Mayroong boring og sa likod ko, guys.
Hi, Shelton ate yet? Yes. That's the thing of. I thought you were in a video, bro. Jackson. Jackson, you need to go home. Cameron.
What are you doing with my hair?
Jack, Mom's home. She says we're grounded because we didn't do the dishes.
Uh-oh. Go now, Jackson. Tell Jackson.
Cameron, you said you would do the rest. No, I told you earlier before I even got here.
Mag-awa na yung mga kapitbahay ko, guys, mga kapatid.
I'm not gonna even do
Same din ng sila ko kasi Samantha nag-aaway. Kasi may chores sila, guys, yung dishes.
exactly. So how do you know this? Because I was supposed to be at home and stay home for hours. What?
Oh no, you guys are grounded.
Hurry up, hurry up, hurry, hurry up.
Who's that?
Nevaeh.
Oh. Yung friend ni Sam.
Mom,
Nandito din. Kakarating lang.
what's it? What guys?
You're done eating. Fave niya, guys, ang carrots.
I'll just get bridge, but
You already ate, Nevea?
I wish my friend could come over, but mommy's second place yet because your friend's over. That means we can't have a sleepover at the same time anymore. Yeah, Cameron told me that she's not. What's it?
You didn't eat?
Yeah, I ate. My mom said she might give me Touchman and Soja Dinero. That's nice. But she's not telling me. I found this Sephora bag I found. It wasn't the Soja Dinero. It was makeup instead for her. I was like, are you kidding me? And my mom was like, we can't have a sleepover at the same time anymore. Why? Because I don't know. Mommy said.
Then she's not a sleepover. There's play dates, Shelton.
I know, but I want to play date, and you said no.
Because if someone wants to play date, you want also a play date.
Yeah, because it's not fair. I want it to be
fair.
I wanted it to be fair, but you don't want me to.
Don't start, okay?
Not my dad said, not me. Why did you say me? Like, wait, I'm not hiding. Because my dad, he's hiding all our presents because we always
Sorry, but
shake them.
I'm here with you.
Like hiding them.
Kakatapos na namin kumain, guys. Here! Clean up your mess! Here! Come on! Go, pull it now. You wanna go upstairs? Okay. Clean up your mess now.